And of course, I've got to get the obligatory flex shot. Look at that.
That wheel is definitely in the air.
Not bad, Toyota, not bad. Using the old eyeball technique to check that it's level. I'm gonna have one more go at it. Better. I'm happy now. Right, so I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and as in a solo trip, and I kind of don't know what to do with myself. I don't even have an awning. Once my tent is set up, I'm kind of done. Alright, I'm doing a quick walk around of the 300 series, and this is a Summit Bar from ARB. It's their new bar design. I believe that the 300 series and the new Ranger are the only two vehicles that actually have received this new bar. Then we have a worn Evo 12. Oh, you can't see it. A worn Evo 12 winch, Evo 12S or something like that. So with a poly rope. We've got the two recovery points. We have the GME XRF I believe, UHF, and the side steps. And that's about it. Oh, that's not about it. No. We also have the old Man Emu BP51 suspension kit. So this is the 2-inch lift kit. I've elected the 600 kilogram constant load springs in the back, so you can see the back is sitting quite a lot higher than the front, and that's because there's effectively nothing in the back of the car. So the reason I've gone for the 600 kilo kit is, one, because that's the kit that you're required to fit for the GVM upgrade, and also I tow. I nearly forgot one of the most important parts. So we have the base rack, to which I've fitted the Drifta Wildland rooftop tent, which is my home for the evening. So I've recently started going on a bit of an organizing binge. I'm trying to get everything, all my camping gear, into little kits. So this is a clear top canvas bag with all my fire making gear in it. So it contains my welding gloves. So I use a set of welding gloves to be able to move coals around in the fire. A couple of lighters, so more than one lighter, and a bunch of big lighters, so normal cheap big lighters. And that's just about ready to go. Right, so I don't have salt. I forgot my salt at home. I've got no condiments in the car except for peri-peri mayonnaise. The steak needs something. So, bourbon glazed sticky ribs, deli style potato chips. Oh boy. Comment your opinion on what I'm about to do down below. Alright, so let's just get the potato salad out the way. Alright, get those chippies in there. It's not even that rare. It's actually not that bad. It's really not that bad. Like it's not amazing. Like I would have preferred salt. But, you know, at the end of the video, I'll put a link up to someone that actually knows how to make a steak at camp. Not this. Don't do this. So yeah, enjoying the view. Cheers. If ginger beer is alcoholic, is it just beer? These are the important questions.